मैंने उसे कल देखा। I saw him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. वह स्कूल नहीं गया। He didn't go to school. He didn't go to school. उन्होंने हमारी मदद की। They helped us. They helped us. तुमने क्या खाया? What did you eat? What did you eat? बारिश बहुत तेज हुई। It rained heavily. It rained heavily. वह बहुत खुश था। He was very happy. He was very happy. मैंने तुम्हारा फोन उठाया। I picked up your call. I picked up your call. हमने फिल्म देखी। We watched a movie. We watched a movie. तुम देर से आए थे। You came late. You came late. उसने सच्चाई बताई। He told the truth. He told the truth. मैंने उसे माफ कर दिया। I forgave him. I forgave him. वे कल हमारे घर आए। They came to our house yesterday. They came to our house yesterday. तुमने मुझे बुलाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? मैंने अपना होमवर्क पूरा किया। I completed my homework. I completed my homework. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? उसने कुछ नहीं खाया। He ate nothing. He ate nothing. मैं बहुत थक गया था। I was tired. I was tired. उसने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया। He gave me a gift. He gave me a gift. हमने एक नई जगह देखी। We saw a new place. We saw a new place. क्या तुम्हें मज़ा आया? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy? तुम कब लौटे? When did you return? When did you return? क्या वह तुम्हारे साथ था? Was he with you? Was he with you? तुमने जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? Why didn't you reply? Why didn't you reply? क्या उसने तुम्हें देखा? Did he see you? Did he see you? तुम कल कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? क्या उसने सबको बुलाया था? Had he invited everyone? Had he invited everyone? क्या तुमने मुझे बुलाया था? Had you called me? Had you called me? उसने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? क्या तुमने उसे माफ कर दिया था? Had you forgiven him? Had you forgiven him? तुमने क्या देखा? What did you see? What did you see? मैंने कुछ नहीं खाया। I didn't eat anything. I didn't eat anything. वह समय पर नहीं आया। He didn't arrive on time. He didn't arrive on time. हमने कुछ नहीं सुना। We didn't hear anything. We didn't hear anything. वह घर पर नहीं था. He wasn't at home. He wasn't at home. मैंने उसे फोन नहीं किया. I didn't call him. I didn't call him. उसने मुझे कुछ नहीं बताया. He didn't tell me anything. He didn't tell me anything. हम वहां नहीं रुके. We didn't stay there. We didn't stay there. वे मेरे दोस्त नहीं थे. They weren't my friend. They weren't my friend. मैंने उसकी बात नहीं मानी. I didn't agree with him. I didn't agree with him. तुमने मेरी मदद नहीं की. You didn't help me. You didn't help me. मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था. I was studying. I was studying. वह गाना गा रही थी. She was singing a song. She was singing a song. वे बाजार जा रहे थे. They were going to the market. They were going to the market. हम फिल्म देख रहे थे. We were watching a movie. We were watching a movie. वह रो रहा था. He was crying. He was crying. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था. I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. वह कल बहुत परेशान थी. She was very upset yesterday. She was very upset yesterday. बारिश हो रही थी. It was raining. It was raining. बच्चे खेल रहे थे. The kids were playing. The kids were playing. मैं इंतजार कर रहा था. I was waiting. I was waiting. मैंने तुम्हारा नाम सुना था. I heard your name. I heard your name. वह अचानक चला गया. He left suddenly. He left suddenly. हमने बहुत मजा किया. We had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. तुमने मेरी मदद की. You helped me. You helped me. उसने मेरे लिए खाना बनाया. She cooked food for me. She cooked food for me. मैंने उसका इंतजार किया. I waited for him. I waited for him. वे कल गांव गए थे. They went to the village yesterday. They went to the village yesterday. उसने मुझे सच्चाई बताई. She told me the truth. She told me the truth. मैंने उसे मना कर दिया. I refused him. I refused him. हमने सब कुछ साफ किया. We cleaned everything. We cleaned everything. वह मेरी बात से सहमत था. He agreed with me. He agreed with me. उसने दरवाजा बंद किया. He closed the door. He closed the door. मैंने तुम्हें पहले देखा था. I had seen you before. I had seen you before. उन्होंने एक नई कंपनी शुरू की. They started a new company. They started a new company. मैं कल वहां गया था. I went there yesterday. I went there yesterday. वह अपने दोस्तों से मिला. He met his friends. He met his friends. तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. You did a great job. You did a great job. मैंने यह किताब पढ़ी थी. I had read this book. I had read this book. उसने मुझे एक पत्र लिखा. He wrote me a letter. He wrote me a letter. हम सुबह जल्दी उठे. We woke up early in the morning. We woke up early in the morning. मैंने उसे मना किया फिर भी वह गया. I refused him yet he went. I refused him yet he went. उसने गलती मान ली. He admitted the mistake. He admitted the mistake. मैंने तुम्हारा इंतजार किया पर तुम नहीं आए. I waited for you but you didn't come. I waited for you but you didn't come. वह बहुत अच्छा गा रहा था. He was singing very well. He was singing very well. हम पिछले साल मुंबई गए थे. We went to Mumbai last year. We went to Mumbai last year. मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना. I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything. वह समय पर नहीं पहुंचा. He didn't arrive on time. He didn't arrive on time. तुमने मेरी बात नहीं मानी. You didn't listen to me. You didn't listen to me. हमने उस पर भरोसा नहीं किया. We didn't trust him. We didn't trust him.